In this video I'm going to show you how to clean the paper roller of your Canon Pixma MG3600 series printer, and you can follow it for any printer in this series. First step is to switch off the printer and disconnect the power supply. Now go to the back side of the printer. Here we can see we can push it to the one side and it will open the rear entrance. If you lift it, we can completely have access to the paper roller. Lift it up. So if I move it here, now we can see the paper roller that is clearly visible from here. So you can see here, so this printer is like in this position. Now we can clean it. So you can use the paper and just you can clean. You can also see there is some color marking showing up there, so don't know how it happened, but yes, if you have anything there you can just wipe it. You can use a damp cloth or cleaning liquid, move the roller a little bit once and then do it. Now in case you want to replace it, you can also do the replacement for this part. For that you just have to use a screwdriver. Now with the screwdriver we can just place on the one end here and try to push it to take it out. So place it here and just try to take it out. So it comes out, so just take it out. These pieces can come out, but they only go in at a certain point. So if you try to push like this, there is a point where it will go in. Now we can also do the deep cleaning. We can wash it, and you can also replace the roller. So once the cleaning is done, we can just place it back. Just place it in its position, place it here, and then push it down from other side. Now one side is plain and one side has rough area, so you will notice when you change it. So now we have replaced and cleaned it. Now close this section. So that's the way we can do the roller cleaning of this printer, and now we can load the paper and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.